So question number 14. He says, find the total number of ways in which 2520, in which this number can be expressed as a product of three factors other than 1. So cases in which this number is expressed as product of three factors other than 1. Obviously यहाँ पे 1 नहीं होना चाहिए, right? I need to find the number of ways. Okay. Now I need to write this number as product of factors, right? I think I'll be able to do that easily if I know the prime factorization. Now first of all we'll write the prime factorization of this number, which obviously you will find it out, and it will turn out to be 2 cube into 3 square into 5 raised to 1 into 7, right? Okay. So I have the prime factorization. Now I need to express this number, or I can say I need to express this product as the product of three factors. All the factors can be ascertained from the prime factorization, right? So using these prime factors, I need to divide some of these in. I need to put some of these factors here, some of these factors here, and some of these factors here. And I obviously need to exhaust it. So you can't leave one factor with 7 को डालो ही मत कहीं पे. That cannot be the case. Product has to be equal to this number, right? So in order to do that, first of all I'll write it in a nice manner. यहाँ पे 2 cube है, यहाँ पे 3 square है. I'll write it properly. So this is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So that I know how many numbers I have to put where. Right? Okay. So अभी यहाँ पे डालना. Now we have to be very systematic about it. So let's see. Now there might be a case when in the first place I will just put up one number. एक ही factor डालते हैं, एक ही number डालते हैं. यहाँ पे 2 डालूंगी या 3 या 5 or 7. I'll just put up 1. Right? There might, and corresponding to this here also I'll just put up one number. Right? Again either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. Right? So I've exhausted one factor here, exhausted one factor here. How many factors are left? If I take 2 factors, I'll be left with 5 factors. Now all those 5 factors have to come here. Right? So this is one way of distributing these numbers as in the 3 groups. Right? Okay. Now there might be some other case as well. First में 1 ही रहने देते हैं. Second में suppose I put 2 numbers. Right, so here I have 1, here I have 2. So I'll be left with what? 4 numbers now. So in the last one, I have to put in 4. This is very easy to see. Obviously, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 2, 3 exhaust हो गए, 7 total है, so 4 यहाँ पे डालने हैं. Right? Can there be a more case? Let's see. If I put in 1 here, and suppose I put in 3 here. Right? If I put in 3 here, that means here I have to put in 3. Right? This also might be the case. Okay. Now let's see. If I put 1 here, अब मैं यहाँ पे डाल देती हूँ 4. And यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2. But do you think that is the case I should consider? I mean, look at it. यहाँ पे 4 already डाल चुके हो, right? अब मुझे प्रोडक्ट करना है. मैं इसको पहले लिखूँ या बाद में लिखूँ, doesn't matter. Either I write this before or after, doesn't matter. Right? So obviously I will not be considering this case because I have already considered it. So let's erase this one. I don't want it. Unwanted. Right. So this is done. Now अगर 1 के बाद 4 वाला नहीं आ सकता, 1 के बाद 5 वाला नहीं आ सकता. Can you understand why? That's why. I pointed it out, right? So that's why. Done. So 1 वाले exhaust कर दे. Obviously 1 6 तो definitely नहीं आएगा because you have exhausted 1 here, you have exhausted 6. यहाँ you don't have anything to put it here. So yeah, you understand that. So we began when we put 1 factor in the first one. So अब डालते हैं 2. Let's put in 2. Now suppose I have put in 2 here. Can I put 1 here? Does that make sense? If I put in 1 here, I have to put 4 here. Again, either you take the 2 factors after or you take it before, it doesn't matter. It is one of the same thing, right? Product है, right? So this case obviously will not crop up. So 1 करना था, यहाँ पे अब 2 कर देते हैं, right? So 2, that means I'll be left with 3. Now ये repeat हुआ कहीं? No. So this is a feasible case, right? Next try करते हैं. So 2 again, यहाँ पे डालेंगे 3, but again 2, 3, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2. This is repeating. ऊपर वाले से repeat हो रहा है, right? So this cannot be the one. Then we can say 2, 4, 1, but that is also included, right? Then you'll say we have exhausted the 2 ones. Let's move on to 3. Okay, 3 पे चलते हैं. So 3, and suppose let's put it 1 here. But if you look carefully, 3, 1. तो यहाँ पे 3, 1, 3 आएगा, which we have already chosen. So if you look for the more cases, you will realize कि वो repetitions हो रही हैं. So these are the possible cases which we need to consider. So I'm writing this here on the side in case I forget. Right? So 1, 1, 5. Then 1, 2, 4. Then 1, 3, 3. And then 2, 2, 3. Right? So let's start with the first one. Come on. In fact, I would suggest please, if you have not done this question, do it with me, because so that you know if I miss out some cases. That might happen. So you can point out, ma'am, you missed one thing. You are so stupid. You should not talk like that, right? Okay. Okay. Right. So the first case is 1, 1, 5. So I'll make these 3 cases, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5. So I have to be careful now with full concentration. Whosoever wants to drink water, please drink water, because I have. And yeah, then we'll continue. Right, I'm ready, I'm back. So let's start now. So in the first place, I have to put just 1, right? So 2 से शुरू करते हैं. Let's start with 2. Suppose I have put in 2, and in the second place again I have to put just 1. So again I'll put 2, right? So 2 into 2. Now here I can put the rest of them. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Right? Now next 2 again. Let's fix this up. 2 again. यहाँ पे 2 की जगह let's place 3 now. So 2 into 3, and the rest of them here. Now you'll realize obviously I don't need to write this, because I am interested in the number of it, right? ये यहाँ पे डाल दिया है. If this is here, obviously you fix it, right? So that's why ये लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, especially in this case. Okay, so 2 into 2 and 2 into 3. Now I will save my space, और यहाँ पे whatever the case may be, you can write it. And I don't think you should write it because it's not required. You just need to count. That's it. So again 2. Now instead of 2 is done, 3 is done, 5. 2, 5, right? So 2 into 5 is this. Then 2 into 7. Again, right? So I have exhausted the numbers, or I have exhausted starting with 2, 1. Right? अब 3 से start करते हैं. So let's start with 3. 3 into. Now 3 into, you will say man 2 डाल दो पहले. Now be careful. 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 you've already considered. Right? और obviously अगर मैंने यहाँ पे exhaust कर लिए, ये और ये same हो जाएगा. तो same case लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. So be careful people. Use your brain. Yeah. Right? So 3 से start करेंगे, but instead of 2 I will have 3. 3 सीखा ही नहीं था, so 3 into 3 and whatever the case may be. Then 3 into 5. Okay. Right? Into something. Oh, मेरे तो line में नहीं चलते हैं. Then 3 again, so 5 के बाद 7, so 3 into 7, into whatever the case may be, right? So I've exhausted the 3 ones. Now let's move on to 5. So 5, 5. अब 5 into, you can't put 2 here. Why? Because 2 into 5 already considered, right? You can't put 5 into 3 because 3 into 5 already considered, right? So 5 into 7, that remains. 5 into 7 have not been considered yet. So whatever the case may be. So another one. Now you will say starting with 7, check kar lo. 7 into 2 already considered. 7 into 3 already considered. 7 into 5 already considered. Right? So these are the possible cases. So how many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 in number. So if I take this to be the first case, I will have 8 ways to express this number as a product of 3 factors. Done? So case 1 exhausted. Tick mark. Next, 1, 2, 4. So let's write 1, 2, 4. Right? Okay. So 1, let's start with 2. Now here I need to put 2 factors now, not 1, 2 factors. So 2 पहले ले चुके हैं, सबसे पहले 2 into 2 से start करें, 2 into 2, and I'll be left with 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Again, if I fix these two, you automatically fix it. So I will not be writing this because I want to save my time, and why would I want to write it? Right? Okay. So again, fix 2. I'll write it nearer. So again 2. Now 2 into 2 already considered. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3 and whatever this may be. So 2 again. So 2 into 3 is done. So 2 into 5. Right. Next is 2. 2 into 7. Right. So from here 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 5, 2 into 7. So यहाँ से 2 वाले exhaust हो गए. But यहाँ पे 3 वाले से start कर दें. Let 2 remain here. Now let's start with 3 here. So 3 into 2. Of course ये मैं नहीं लूँगी. Why? Consider हो चुका already. So let's go for 3 into 3. Right? So 3 into 3, whatever the case may be. So 2 again. So 3 into 5 now. Right? Then 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Done. So 3 is exhausted. So let's go to 5 now. So 5 into 2 I will not take. 5 into 3 I will not take. 5 into 7 that I can take. Right? Okay. So I've exhausted starting with 2 ones. Right? वो exhaust कर लिए. And how many these are? These are 8 in number again. These are 8 in number. Dev may check. Yeah, 8 in number. Fine. Okay. So now we have started with 2. So let's go for starting with 3 now. That means we'll seclude. Now I should not be saying starting with because here the order does not matter. That you understand, right? I can write 2 into 2 first and then 2 in the second case. It will be expressed in the same way. So I should be saying when I take 3 in the secluded form. So I will not say that take 3 in the first place. I should say 3 in the secluded form. Right? But you understand my point, right? You understand my emotions. Not a big deal. Right. So 1. So 2, 1 is exhausted. So यहाँ पे डालते हैं 3. So 3 is occupied now. So first, let's start with 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So whatever this may be. So again 3. So 2 into 2 is done. So 2 into 3 is left. So 2 into 3. And then 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Then 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Right? So let's see. Let's start with 3 now. So 3 into 2 I will not consider because already considered here. So 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Then 3 into 7. 3 into 7. So exhausted the 3 ones now. So let's move on to 5. So 5 into 2 I will not take because this. 5 into 3 this. So 5 into 7. Right? So I think I have exhausted 3 ones at least. So how many these are? These are 7 in number. Right? Clearly I lack, board is small, should be big. Okay, don't worry, we'll deal with it. Not a big deal. Okay, we'll deal with it. So I'm erasing this and I will be writing this here. So 1 into 1 already done, so I'm erasing it anyways. So 1, 2, 4 already मैं consider कर ही रही हूँ. तो मेरे पास रह जाएंगे 1, 3, 3 and 2, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm erasing this. Cool. Next. So 3 ones are exhausted. So let's move on to 5 now. So 3 places. First 1, then 2, then 4. So let's put in 5 now. So let's put in 5. So So first case, let's take 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Then next will be 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Next will be, I think you can visualize it now. So 2 into 3 is done. So 5 is already occupied. So 2 into 7. Right. So 2 ones are exhausted. So let's move on to 3 now. So 3 into 2, obviously I will not take. So 3 into 3 directly जा रही हूँ मैं. 3 into 3. Right. Next 3 into 7. That is one case. 3 into 7. Right. So I think 3 ones are exhausted now. So let's take, if I start with 7, 7 into 2 already considered, 7 into 3 already considered. So that means I've exhausted the cases for the 5 ones. Right. And these are what? 5 in number. So if I take 5 in the secluded one, I'll get 5 in number. Now can you guess what will happen if I take 7 in the secluded form? 7 वाले cases count करो. Obviously whatever will happen for 5 will happen for 7 as well, right? So if I'm getting 5 cases from here, for 7 also I'll get 5 cases. You can see that, or you can use common sense, right? So till now we have what? This is 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 8. Wow, 33, right? 33. So I'm writing my number 33. So I'm erasing all this because we have to go on to these 2 cases now. So erasing everything. So अपनी notebooks में भी make a new page because we are moving ahead with the cases. Now some of you will be like, ma'am, how boring it is to make the cases. I would say no. It is actually quite fun, isn't it? You have to make sure that you don't miss out any cases. So that's the fun part. Come on, make a new page in your notebook and try writing the new cases. Come on, write it. Hurry up. Then we'll check our answers. Write the cases, please. Alright. So, let's hope I've not left out anything. So now it's 1, 3, 3 turn. So let's start with that. So 3 places, 1, 3, 3. Right? Okay. So in first place, let's start with 2. Now here I have to put in 3 factors now. So be careful. That means I do need more space. So let's write it further apart. So 3, 3. Right? Okay. So let's start now. So 2 मैं already ले चुकी हूँ. Now 3. So 2, 2, 3 से start करें. 2 into 2 into 3. Right? And here. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 3 हो गया. So 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. First case. Now 2 again. So now 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 constant रखो. Into 5. So what I'm left with? I am left with 3 into 3 into 7. Be careful. Right? Then 2 as it is. Then 2 into 2 into 5 power of 7. So into 7. So that means you are left with 3 into 3 into 5. Right? Okay. So 2 into 2 ones are done. So let's go for 2 into 3 now. Right? So 2 into 3. So I'll be left. So 2 into 3. Now let's take 3 again. Obviously 2 नहीं लूँगी because वो यहाँ पे consider कर चुके हैं. Right? So here 3 again. So I am left with 2 into 5 into 7. Right? Okay. So 2 into 3. Again upwards 2 into 3 के साथ. Let's take 5. Right? So 2, 3, 5 हो गया. So I'm left with 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Right? So 2 again. So 2 into 3. अब 5 का यहाँ पे 7 कर देते हैं. Right? So 2, 3, 7 consider. 2, 3, 7 consider. I'm left with 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Right? Yes, I know. We'll write it and then we'll talk about it. राइट. सो 2 3 हो गया. तो 2 3 वाले एग्जॉस्टेड है. सो अगेन नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू 3. तो 3 into 2 वाले नहीं कंसिडर करूंगी मैं, बिकॉज वो ऑटोमेटिकली कंसिडर हो जाता है. राइट. सो 3 into 3. राइट. 3 into 3. नाउ 3 into 3 के साथ आई कैन टेक 5. Yeah, I can take 5. So I'll be left with 2 to 7. So 2 into 2 into 7. Right? More cases. So 2. Again, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 3. So 2 here. 3 into 3. Now let's take, यहाँ पे into 5 था, let's take into 7. Right? So 2, 3, 3, 7 done. So 2 to 5 left. 2 into 2 into 5 left. Right? Okay. So 3 ones are done, right? 3 ones are done. So 2 into 3 into, now 3 is done. So let's take 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 into 7 ही ले सकते हैं because पीछे नहीं जाओगे. Careful. So if 3, 5, 7 are done, 2 is already occupied. So 2 to 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Right? So 3, 5 is done. 3, 7 I can't take. So 3 ones are done now. Right? Yeah, 3 ones are done. So let's exhaust the 2 ones first. So 2 हो गया. अब 3 से start कर रहे थे. Let's take 5 now. So 5. 5 into, I cannot take 2, I cannot take 3, I cannot take what? 7. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 7 लूंगी, यहाँ पे मुझे 2 या 3 में से डालना पड़ेगा. Those cases are already repeated. Right? अब, there is a problem here. Can you see it? What is that problem? Search. एक problem है यहाँ पे. What that is? If you look at the last one and look at the first one, 3 into 5 into 7, 3 into 5 into 7, okay? और यहाँ पे 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. This case and this case, they are exactly the same. तो क्या लिया? और देखें, और चेक करें. अब 3 into 3 into 7. 3 into 3 into 7. Second, last and second one. These are the things. Okay. Now let's see. यहाँ पे आ रहा है 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Again, this case is repeated. Repeat ही count कर रहे थे. You're not careful, people. Wake up. Right. So 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. This case is also repeated. Yeah, these cases are not repeated. That's a given. Now, I'm sure you are wondering why did this happen. We made sure कि वैसे वाले ना लिखे हैं, right? 5 into 2 ना consider करें something. Then also we got the repeated cases. Can you think of why that happened? I'll give you a hint. This is 3, this is 3. The number of factors in each group, that is same. So if you can figure it out why that happened, obviously intuitively it is absolute. No, it's not absolutely fine. It is actually absolutely great if you can figure out the intuitive reason. Why did we have repeated cases? In fact, now you have to be careful because we know that in this case we have the repeated one. So when further we'll go, so be careful. Right? So I'm erasing this one. Erase it. Now, 2 ones are exhausted, so let's start with the 3. Right? So, if 3 is in the first place, so 2 into 2. Let's start with the basic. 2 into 2 is done, so I'm left with 2 into, okay? Oh, 2 into 2. अभी यहाँ पे third वाला भी डालना है, careful. So, 2 into 2 into 2. Right? I'll be left with 3 into 5 into 7. Right? So, 3 again. So 2 into 2, 6, 2 into 2, now into 3, right? So 2 into 2 into 3, I'll be left with 2, 5, 7. So 2 into 5 into 7. So 3 again, so 2 into 2, 6, now 3, let's take 3 again. No, let's not take 3, let's take 5 now. So if I'm taking 2, 2, 5, I'm left with 2, 3, 7. 2 into 3 into 7. Right? So 3 again, so 2 into 2 into. Now instead of 5, let's take 7. So 7 here. I'm left with 2, 3, 5. So 2 into 3 into 5. So now I've exhausted the 2 into 2 ones, right? अब 2 into 2 हो गए, so 2 into 3. Let's start with that. So 2 into 3 and let's go for 5 now. Because obviously 2 पे नहीं जाऊंगी, वो 2 into 3 into 2 हो जाता, 2 into 2 into 3 already ले चुके हैं, वैसी repetition है तुम्हारे, right? So 2 into 3 into 5 considered, you are left with 2 to 7, 2 to 7, right? And let's darken this up because I'm erasing it now, right? Okay. So 3 again. So 2 into 3. Now instead of 5, let's take 7. Right, so this will be 2 into 2 into 5, right? So 2 into 3 ones are exhausted. So let's go for 2 into 5. So 2 into 5, right? And obviously I will not be taking 2 here. Q already considered that. I will not be taking 3 because already considered. Let's take 7 then, right? So 2 into 5 into 7. So I am left with 2 to 3. 2 into 2 into 3, right? So 2 into 5 ones are exhausted and 2 into 7 ones are already exhausted, right? Okay. So यहाँ से 2 ones are over. यहाँ से 2 वाले खत्म हो गए. Okay. Let's move forward then. So this is 1, this is 3, this is 3, right? So 3 here. Now 2 ones are exhausted. So let's start with 3. Right, so 3 into, now 3 into, I have to be careful now, 3 into 2 into 2 लूँ, already considered है, right? अब 3 पीछे नहीं जाते, आगे जाते, so 3 into 5 into 7, पीछे वाले तो already exhausted है, that's why. Or maybe if you want to write it, you can write it, अगर you can cancel out the repeated part, that's absolutely fine. So 3 into 5 into 7 क्या बच गया मेरे पास? 2 into 2 into 2. Interesting. Right? Next तुम लिखोगे फिर repetition है, फिर repetition है. In fact इसमें भी कुछ repetition है अभी, वो भी check करना पड़ेगा. Right? So let's see. Last and first में check करो. Do you think these are the repeated cases? 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. Definitely repeated cases है. Now 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3, repeated case. Come on people, wake up. 2 into 2 into 5, same case, cancel. Then 2 into 2 into 7, same, cancel. That means from here you're getting 4 more. वहाँ से 5 मिले थे, यहाँ से 4 मिले थे. Perfect. So again you have to be careful because in this case, especially in this case, repetition is there. You have to be careful now. Right? Don't worry, it's all fun, we'll deal with it. We'll write all the cases. Persevere. Right. So we are done with the 3 ones, so यहीं से exhaust करते हैं. अब यहाँ पे let's write 5. 5 से शुरू करते हैं. So 5. So if I take 5, first 3 I can take it to be 2 into 2 into 2. Right. And I am left with 3 into 3 into 7. Right. So now 2 into 2 fixed. So 2 into 2 into 3. That means I'll be left with 2 into 2. No, I lost it. 2 extra कैसे आ गया? 2 into 3 into 7. Right? Okay. So next 5. Now 2 into 3 same. So 2 into 2 into 5. 5 नहीं ले सकते, already ले चुके हो. Wake up people. यहाँ पे 7 डाल दो. Right? So 7 डाल दिया. So here you will have 2 into 3 into 3. Right? Okay. So 2 into 2, ones are exhausted. अब जाएंगे 2 into 3 पे. So again careful, 5 remains same. So 2 into 3 now. So 2 into 3. अब obviously यहाँ पे 2 नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं. Consider cases कर चुके हैं. Right? 2 into 3 into 5 नहीं ले सकती. 5 यहाँ पर है. So 2 into 3 into 7. So 2, 3, 7 मैंने ले लिए. 5 already ले लिया. I am left with 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Right then. 2 into 3 एक already exhausted है, 7 से आगे कैसे जाओगे? So 2 into 5 ले नहीं सकते and 2 into 7 मैं जैसे ही करूंगी repeated cases है, right? So यहाँ से 2 ones are exhausted, okay? Not a big deal. So let's go for 3 ones now. So 3 into, now obviously I'm not taking 3 into 2, cases ले चुकी हूँ. 3 into 3 से start करें. So 3 into 3 के साथ let's take 5 first, but 5 already है, so 3 into 3 into 7. Right, so I'm left with 2 into 2 into 2. अब next तुम बोलोगे 3 into 7, वो already repeated है, फिर 7 वाले करोगे वो वैसे ही repeated है. Right, you can write it down, satisfy yourself, then move on. Right, so let's see, repeated cases, last and first. Yeah, these are same, cancel it out. So second last and second, same. Right, okay. And इनमें आने हैं. Do you think? हाँ, और बाकी मैंने लिखने ही बंद कर दिए हैं, so that's why मेरे पास cases कम आ रहे हैं, right? Okay. So 5 ones exhaust कर लिया. अब start करेंगे 7 से. So let's hope the answer matches. 7 to start. Oh, I should not be putting that here. 7. Right, so 7 to start करें. First, I can take 2 into 2 into 2, and I'll be left with 3 into 3 into 5. 3 into 3 into 5. No, so do you think 5 and 7 में फिर से same cases आएंगे? इसमें 3 आ रहे हैं, इसमें 3 आ रहे हैं, 6. हाँ. In fact, what is happening for 5 will also happen for 7. यहाँ से भी मुझे 3 cases मिलेंगे. 5 के लिए 3 मिले. Right, यहाँ से भी 3 मिलेंगे because 5 and 7 they behave similarly because they have the same power. You can check that out. Obviously, I'm not doing it here. So 3 you will get cases from here. 3 यहाँ से मिल गए. Then 4 from here and 5 from here. So how many these are? These are 15 in number. So 33 plus 15 more. Right. So we have exhausted this possibility as well. Right, now we have the last possibility, which is 2, 2, 3. This is again, you have to be careful. You cannot miss out anything. Let's check. And if you are skipping this part, if you are fast forwarding this video, at this point, shame on you, because I am doing all this stuff for you. I should not be writing so many cases, but just for you, so please don't skip it. In fact, do it with me. Right. So I have 2, 2, 3 now. Okay. So in the first group 2, second 2, and third 3. So यहाँ पे 2 डालना है, so 2 into 2. Let's start with that. Right. Then 2 into 3. Right. So I'll mark this. So 2 into 3. I'm left with 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 into 5 into 7. Right? Okay. So what? So 2 into 2. Now 2 into 3. Yeah, I need water. Alright. So 2 into 2. Now let's take 2 into 5 because 2 into 3 is you can. So 2 into 5. And this will be what? 3 into 3 into 7. Right? Okay. So 2 into 2 as it is. Now let's take 2 into 7. So if I take 2 into 7, I'll be left with 3 into 3 into 5. Right? Now I'll move at a fast pace because we know how to write these things, right? Hopefully I don't lose out anything. So 2 into 2. Now 2 ones are done. So let's move on to 3. So 3 into 3. So 3 into 3. I'll be left with 2, 5, 7. So 2 into 5 into 7. Right? Okay. So 2 into 2. Now 3 into 5. Right? So this will be 2 into 3 into 7. Right? So 2 into 2. Now it is 3 into 7. So 2 into 3 into 5. Done. So 3 ones are exhausted. Now let's move on to 5 ones. So 2 again, 2 again, 3 again. Right? So 2 into 2. So this is what? Now 3 वाले वाले थे, so 5 into 7. वहाँ से start करूँगी because 5 into 3 already ले चुकी हूँ. You know the drill. So 5 into 7 and I'll be left with what? 3 into 3. I should say 2 into 3 into 3. Right? 2 into 3 into 3. So 5 ones are exhausted, 7 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Perfect. Right, so 2 into 2 ones are done. So let's move on to 2 into 3 ones. 2 into 3. So 2 into 3, so first I'll take 2 into 2. I should not take that. अच्छा 2 into 3 ले रही हूँ, 2 into 2 लूंगी, वो already considered है यहाँ पे. Now I know कि some cases are getting repeated, so I'll be careful. पहले से, last में I'll check, not a big deal. But still, if I can see the cases which are being repeated blatantly, I will remove that. So 2 into 3, I will not be taking 2 into 2. I will take 2 into 3. Straightforward. Right? So 2 into 3 ले लिया, I'm left with 2, 5, 7. So 2 into 5 into 7. Right? So 2 into 3 as it is. So 2 into 5. So if I take 2 and 5, I'm left with 2, 3, 7. Right? So 2 into 3 again. So 2 into 7 now. So this is 2 into 3 into 5. That's cool. I think 2 ones are done from here. So 2 into 3. So let's start with 3 now. So 3 into 2 so definitely नहीं लूंगी. 3 into 5, I can take that. So if I take 3 into 5, so I'm left with what? 3 into 5 ले लिया ना? So 2 to 7. Okay. So 2 to 7. Right? 2 into 3, then 3 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 5. Done? Right. So 3 ones are done. Now let's start with 5 now. So 2 into 3, now 5 into 7. Obviously, I'm not taking 5 into 3, I'm not taking 5 into 2. Then they are done that. So 5 and 7 ले लिया. So I'm left with 2 into 2 into 3. Done? Right. So अभी मुझे repeated cases भी देखने पड़ेंगे. Okay, we'll do that. वो तो end में जल्दी से check कर लेंगे हम लोग. Cool. So next. So 2, 2, 3. Right. So 2 into 3 are exhausted. So 2 into 5 now. 2 and 5 now. So 2 into 2. So definitely नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं. क्यों? Oh yes, that's right. 2 into 3 भी नहीं लूँगी. That's fine. Right. So 2 into 7 I can take. Yeah, I can take 2 into 7. So अगर मैंने 2 into 7 ले लिया, I'm left with 2, 3, 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Right? So 2 into 7 वैसे exhaust हो गए. So 2 into 5 में let's go for 3 now. So 3 into 3. Can I take that? Yeah. 3 into 2 तो नहीं लूँगी, 3 into 3 ले सकते हैं. So 2 into 5 ले लिया, 3 into 3 ले लिया. So 2 to 7 again. 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 into 5. So 3 into 5 is not possible, 3 into 7. So that means I'm left with 2 into 2 into 3. 3 ones are done. So let's move on to 2 into 5. यहाँ पे 7 वाले आ जाएंगे, but that will be cases repeating. So I will not write that. Right? Yeah, okay, fine. So that means 2 into... Okay, now 2 into 5 ones are exhausted. अब 2 into 7 करें? Now be careful. 2 into 7 मैं already consider कर चुकी हूँ in each and every case. Right? So 2 into 7 is done for us. Why should I write it again? Right? So let's move on to 3. So 3 into 2 already exhausted है most cases में. Right? Yeah. So 3 into 3. 3 into 3 से start करें. Now if you 3 into 3 से कर लेते हैं. 3 into 2 वाले exhausted होंगे सारे. What do you think? Let's say 3 into 2. 3 into 2 वहाँ पे आ रहा है, यहाँ पे आ रहा है. और कहाँ है 3 into 2? यहाँ पे. हाँ, 3 into 2 वाले कवर अप कर दिया मैंने. Not a big deal. 3 into 3 पे रहता है. अब 3 into 3 पे let's see. 3, 3. 3 into 3 हो गया. Okay. So 2 into 2 तो definitely नहीं ले रही मैं. Already taken. 2 into 3 लूँ. Should I take 2 into 3? नहीं होना चाहिए कहीं ना क्या होगा मैंने. Okay, no. 2 into 3 नहीं लिया मैंने. Right. 2 into 3 मैंने नहीं लिया. Okay, cool. अगर लिया होगा तो हम लास्ट में कट कर देंगे. 3 into 3 ले लिया मैंने and 2 into 3 ले लिया. So stupid. 2 into 3 कैसे हो सकता है? यहाँ पे already 3 exhausted है. Let's see मेरे पास options बची क्या है. तो यहाँ पे 2 into 5 ले सकते हैं. वो यहाँ पे ले चुकी हूँ मैं, डन, ग्रेट. 2 into 2. ओके, अब सिस्टमैटिकली चलता है. 3 into 3 के साथ 2 into 2 ले चुकी हूँ. 3 into 3 के साथ मैं 2 into 3 ले चुकी हूँ. मैंने यहाँ पे केस मिस कर दिया. वो केस हो ही नहीं सकता. परफेक्ट, राइट. सो 2 into 7. ये वाला केस क्या मैंने कहा? Check it out because I don't want to write it again. Otherwise, it will be a problem. Right. Perfect. हाँ, मुझे पहले ही लिख लेने चाहिए था, है ना? It's absolutely fine. It's okay. We'll deal with it. Right. So 3 into 3 and यहाँ पे 2 into 7. So let's see. 3 into 3, 2 into 7. So I am left with 2 into 2 into 5. राइट. ओके, अगर रिपीटेड केस होगा हम कैंसिल कर देंगे, नॉट अ बिग डील. 3 into 3, अब 2 into 7 एग्जॉस्टेड है, तो यहाँ पे 3 दोबारा से नहीं आ सकता. सो 5 into 7, दैट इज वन केस, राइट. 5 into 7, अगर 5 ले लिया तो हमारे पास बन गया 2 into 2 into 2. डोंट वरी, आई विल कैंसिल इट आउट, नॉट अ बिग डील, राइट. तो ये एग्जॉस्ट हो गया. नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर 3 into 5 नाउ, राइट. 3 into 5, so should I take 2 into 2? नहीं, already consider है, so I will not take. So should I take 2 into 3? Already consider है, I will not take. So 2 into 5 ले नहीं सकती. 2 into 7? 2 into 7, that I can take. हाँ, वो नहीं लिया मैंने अभी तक, right? So 2 into 7 ले लेते हैं. So 3 into 5 पे चले गए हम, and मैंने ले लिया 2 and 7 and left with 2 into 2 into 3. Perfect. Right, let's exhaust it now. So 2 ones are done. So 3 into 5 के साथ 3 into. Now यहाँ पे 5 नहीं ले सकते, 7 ले सकते हैं directly. Right? If I take it to be 7, क्या बच गया? 3 into 5 done, 3 and 7 done. So 2 into 2 into 2. Done. So 3 1 is exhausted. Now 3 into 5. 5 into 7 केस नहीं हो सकता, तो बच गए हम इस पे. Right. So 3 ones are exhausted. 3 into 7 अगर मैं लूंगी तो ऑलरेडी वो यहाँ सब में कवर ओवर हो जाएगा, hopefully, provided I have not missed some cases. Right? So 3 into 7 is done. So last but not the least जो मेरे पास बच जाएगा, that is 5 into 7. Now let's see. 5 into 7 के साथ 2 into 2 लूं? नहीं, ऑलरेडी ले चुके हूँ. तो 5 into 7 के साथ 2 into 3 ऑलरेडी ले चुके हूँ. परफेक्ट. एंड 2 into 5 ले नहीं सकते, 2 into 7 भी नहीं ले सकते, तो ये तो खत्म हो गया. 2 वाले इज डन. सो लेट्स टेक 3 into 3. ऑलरेडी कंसिडर्ड है, ठीक है, तो भी हटा दूं. राइट. सो 3 into 5 ले नहीं सकते, 3 into 7 ले नहीं सकते. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो डन. ओके, तो मेरे केसेस ही हो गए. आई थिंक काउंट करें एक बार. नाउ फर्स्ट लेट्स चेक कि हमारे को रिपीटेड केस है कि नहीं. डिफरेंट है. लेट्स काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. yes, 20 आ रहे थे. अब बिकॉज आई वाज केयरफुल इन दिस, तो मैंने रिपीटेड केसेस पहले ही जान बूझ के नहीं लिखे, अदरवाइज इट वुड हैव टेकन क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. राइट. सो फ्रॉम हियर 20 cases to add this. Let's see. So this is 35 plus 33, and that is 68. The answer is 68 people. Now some of you say, ma'am, this is such a lengthy question. But the thing is, when I was doing the previous questions and when I was finally able to do it, I was like, okay, big deal. But when I did this and I finally got the correct answer, then that kind of satisfaction, that kind of happiness can only be achieved when we do a question like this.